Hey everybody, so sorry I've got my helmet on still, but I've got big hair and you probably don't want to see me without this helmet on, so I'm gonna leave it on for now. Anyway, I had a request to start to do kind of like what I think the first steps in wanting to do liberty training would be. So the first steps, in my opinion, if you want to do any type of liberty training with your horse, is to build a connection where they'll want to be with you and hang out with you. If you don't have that, you will not get, I mean, my opinion, this is strictly my opinion, and I don't want to use any type of bribery other than love and compassion, and I guess that's not bribery. I guess it's bribery maybe, because I want them to want to hang out with me, and if they hang out with me, then I'm going to give them lots of love. So, however we want to take that, but so like I have Dauntless here behind me, and Memphis is in the background. He's a just turned 6-year-old Mustang, and Dauntless is a dressage jumper, kind of do it everything horse now that he's had a revamp in his life, and gone from a very bad place in his life to a very good place. So one of the ways I was able to get Dauntless, and you can check out his journey under Dauntless's Journeys, is to really get a connection with him. So if I just want to see where he's at with me, like I want to see how much he's paying attention to me, see how I just moved and he kind of came over to me. So I'm going to walk away from the camera for a minute, and you're going to see kind of what I'm talking about with a horse that's truly connected to you. I don't give him treats. I want him to want to be with me. I'm not opposed to, like, if you want to teach a horse maybe a trick, bowing or laying down, I still try to do it as organically as possible. But so he's right here, so you can't see him, you can just see his withers. Say hi, Dauntless. But if I walk off, he's focused on me, and that's the number one thing. So like if I have him here and I go to walk off over here, I want to get him to want to focus on me. So because I want him to look at me as like a safe place, so he'll come over. I'll reward him for that. I'll go over and I'll give him some love, and then I'll come back over and he'll want to be with me. So you've probably seen him doing some lateral work and everything at Liberty. You're going to stay tuned for more videos. Now all of a sudden like monkey see monkey do a little bit. If you have one horse that starts to get this, then the other one, they want to be part of it. So all of a sudden Memphis is like, hey, what's going on over there? There's something pretty good going on. I might want to come check it out. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and kind of a step-by-step program of how I start to incorporate Liberty work into what I'm doing and what I think it takes to build that connection. But that's the first step. Hope you guys enjoy this. If so, hit that like button and hit the bell button so it notifies you when we do more videos. Okay, fine, I'll show you the hair. I told you it's like out of control. It's been a long day, a lot of horses today, but I knew you guys were wondering what was underneath this helmet, so here you go. Anyway, have a great day. Take care.